In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to remove someone from the admin role in a WhatsApp group. Removing an admin can be necessary if you want to control who has the power to manage the group settings. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the WhatsApp group from which you want to remove someone from the admin role. Then tap on the group name at the top left. Then scroll down to the bottom. And you'll see a list of members, and in that list, you'll see all the admins in your group. Find the person you want to remove as an admin and tap on their name. And then select this option. Dismiss as admin. Now that person will no longer have admin privileges in the group. It's important to remember that removing someone as an admin does not remove them from the group entirely. They will still be a member of the group, but without the special powers that come with being an admin. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.